whenever you get up from the bed a little bit earlier, at that time I have one suggestion. You can go outside and try to enjoy this weather. I think this is extraordinary. You can go outside in the other time also, but in the morning, especially when the weather is clean and it's a little bit cold, and I think you find this thing very interesting, and the number of people, they are also in a little amount in this type of place. So I think it's actually better place to enjoy the weather, and you can find this thing very interesting. I actually don't get enough opportunity to enjoy this type of weather, as I am not getting up from the bed a little bit earlier. I usually get up from the bed at 10 a.m., sometimes 11 a.m. and sometimes 12. So it's very hard for me to get this type of opportunity. But today I get up from the bed a little bit earlier, and I get this opportunity, and I try to utilize this in a good way. So you can do this. And the road condition in the city, especially, they are in different level than any other time. So this is the interesting thing. And another thing you can do this, that is cycling. I think in this condition, in this type of winter season, it's the best time to go for cycling with your friends, or even you can go with yourself. This is actually completely up to you, which type of things you love, you can do this. So obviously I am repairing my cycle using at least 2.5k. So it's actually huge money for me, but again I need this cycle, and whenever I have this cycle with me, at the time I can feel myself confidence. I can go here and there using this cycle. I can go to visit a particular place using this cycle. So that's why I repair this cycle using such amount of money. So if you are a resident of Comilla, and if you stay in Comilla city, at that time you can also join with me. We can go to the border side, or we can go to the Jagannathpur Union and several types of other place using our bicycle. So that's all about today's video. Actually I am already reached in my home. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.